After you've chosen the wallet that suits your needs, the next step is to buy your first cryptocurrency. You can pay for your first coins with a credit card or cash or through PayPal or with a bank transfer. But watch out, because each of these has its own issues that you need to be aware of. Credit cards come with high fees, and PayPal has transaction limits. Cash won't get you the best exchange rates, and bank transfers are the slowest of all the options. Where you can buy cryptocurrencies is another subject altogether. There are a few options that you can consider, although some of these will depend on where you live. You could consider cryptocurrency exchanges, which we will cover shortly. You could think about Bitcoin ATMs. These are ATMs located in public places, which allow you to use regular currency to buy Bitcoins. You will need a wallet first, into which you can transfer these coins. You could also consider voucher cards. These are slowly gaining popularity, and you might even be able to buy these in stores in your area. They look like a gift card, are loaded like a gift card, and can be redeemed online. And finally, direct trading, which is done directly on a peer-to-peer platform.